In this video, I will show you how to add friends in Clash Royale, so let's jump straight into it. Of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is load up Clash Royale on your device. So once you've loaded up Clash Royale, you'll be on your home screen, which is going to look like this. Now, to add friends is actually quite easy to do. What you want to do, if you look at the top, you're going to want to click onto your invite friend button, so your friends button, which actually looks like this. So go ahead and press onto that. And it's going to bring up a screen like this. From here, what you're going to want to do is click onto the yellow invite friend button. And this is going to load up a link which you can copy. So as you can see, we've got copy URL here. So you want to press onto that. And what you can then do is send this to anyone you want. So you can send this to a friend through like Discord or via messaging or however you want to do it. And when that person clicks onto that link, they will be able to add you as a friend on Clash Royale. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.